Morning, ladies.
So we have a new gay harness. I mean, a gauge harness. Gauge harness. Yeah, that's it. Gauge harness. Well, everything's gay. Come on. I mean,
Oh, just you. Anyway.
I mean, we do work in Palm Springs, so.
this is true. And go figure. Two bears and an otter.
Oh, Jesus. This is going down.
That's what we need to open up a shop. 2 bears and an otter.
Stop. Please stop. Anyway, Alan from Mustang Country.
Thank you, Alan, as always.
Brought us all of our front wiring.
We have our headlight wiring harness and all.
Yeah.
So we can get everything taken care of up front.
Because that was a chewed up disaster.
Yeah, it was. It was really
The engine gauge harness chewed up disaster. But Alan was here Sunday when he dropped off this stuff. And he's like, yeah, your alternator harness is actually good. I don't have to drop ship you one. Thank God. Okay, so 1 out of 3 ain't bad, boys.
Yeah. So
Yeah, that's
look,
very nice.
this is
That's nice.
This is going to be way better. Hey, guess what?
Chicken butt.
Yes, chicken butt, Bernsey. Chicken butt.
so
I'm still waking up. Don't judge me.
Yeah, I know.
much.
I haven't had my fucking shots of fucking Jameson yet.
Whoa! Not on the clock. That's maybe your lunch break. Anyway.
I'll clock out any time. I don't give a fuck.
So.
I've got an entire functioning bar.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's go have some vodka cranberry. That sounds good right now.
Oh yeah, right.
Moving on, children.
And the new one is.
Okay, children.
Oh, we actually need to go back to work.
Some bloody
Okay, so we're gonna inspect these on camera. Yep, it's wire.
Oh my God.
But yeah, dude,
Look at that.
this is phenomenal.
Very nice.
It really is.
Well, Alan only gets you the best stuff.
Yeah, this is true.
He doesn't
Alan
just,
does amazing.
he doesn't just buy from one supplier.
From one willy-nilly, he buys from 3
He
willy-nillys.
buys the best stuff from each manufacturer.
And I mean, this is really good. Like, legitimately, guys, this is amazing. Thank you, Alan. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is gonna make life so much easier.
This is why I first call for anything, honestly, if I can't just snag it real quick locally. Alan, you got this. Can you get this? Yeah, no problem.
Well, it was like the one part we needed to get. I forget. Was it for this one? It was for this one. And the driver drove it all the way from L.A. that morning so that we could have it by afternoon to work on the car.
Oh, yeah, because we were kind of...
Was it bell housing?
Yeah, that's actually Gary. He actually has a place here, too.
Yeah.
And we're going to be looking at his
great
Ranchero
Yep.
later this week.
Yep. Yeah.
65.
Yeah. Oh, dude, it's beautiful.
With a 5-speed. We need to help him with a shifter because it's... Whoever put it in kind of there's a whole
Well, I
story.
think we were talking about that when you came down, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And him and I were talking on the phone.
Guys,
anyway.
come on. If I got
You're the one. You guys got
if
on
I
the...
got to stay focused, you guys
got on the bar focus.
Don't listen to that guy.
Oh, man. I'm going home going drinking.
He's never focused.
Yeah, he's like, oh, there's a kitty. Oh, there's a... Yeah. So
kitty.
we did... Thank you, Alan, again. A great, beautiful, beautiful product. So we'll get more done on this today, I hope.
We got to get the...
Because I'm going between
54
the wagon
Chev
and
in
this.
and out quick.
And then you guys will do the bulk of the 54.
Yep.
And I'm just kind of there for guidance and, government official work. Which means I need 7 people to sit around and watch everybody else work.
Caltrans.
Where's the shovel?
Right, exactly,
Oh, I'm not wearing the right shirt.
Oh, no, wait, no, I gotta get it picked. Does this work?
Okay, anyway. So, later on, we'll see...
At least he got the joke, so I'm good.
Later on, we will see our wiring going in.
Yes. And again, thank you guys. Have a good one.